Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. This is the first unboxing video in our channel, but it's a late post. It's been a year I have purchased this product and been using it, and I have benefited a lot from this product. This is a must-have product in every household or kitchen. This product name is Prestige Black Cooktop Induction Stove, PIC 6.1 V3. It is 2200 watts. Now before going into the uses of the product, I just want to share the features of the product. This is easily portable. It just weighs 3.5 kgs. You can easily carry. Even we are using this in small birthday parties also. That is easily portable, and also it is very easily operable. This has got easy feather touch buttons. With just one click you can prepare your desired food, and it is also easily maintainable because just with one damp cloth you can just clean it. It has got very low maintenance and it's easy to maintain, and it has got automatic voltage regulator. With this product, preparing the basic Indian food has become pretty much easier. Now comes the highlight of the product, that is the product is provided with specific dedicated buttons of Indian food menu such as idli, dosa, chapati, rice, boiling milk for deep fry and curries. With these dedicated specific buttons, you can just tap on that and then prepare food easily with your desired choice. And also another highlight of the product is it keeps your food warm. With such benefits, why do you hesitate to buy this product? I have provided the Amazon link in the description or first comment or in the bio. Go check, purchase and enjoy.